What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am Angie, and today I'm going to show you guys how I do my twist, just a protective style, my hair regimen after I wash and condition my hair. My hair is currently in a wrap. Let me take it down. I had it in this t-shirt, so this is how it's looking dingy. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned, deep conditioned, and I put the shirt around it because I just left somewhere, just came back from where I was at. And what the t-shirt does, it absorbs most of the moisture in my hair, so my hair is not soaking wet. The only time you need your hair to be soaking wet is if you're doing a wash and go. If you're doing a wash and go, you want your hair to be as wet as possible. I'm not doing a wash and go, I'm doing a twist protective style. So my hair doesn't need to be soaking wet. It just needs to be freshly washed and detangled. So this is her with no product. This is how she looking. She looking real cute. Or whatever. Looking real Beyonce. Real Beyonce. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. So yeah. That's my hair. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna take my comb. That up. So I'm gonna take my water. It has conditioner in it. Yeah, it just has conditioner in it, and I just shook it up with some water. I'm going to start. I'm gonna start from the back. Okay, next I'm going in with my Cantu. Take out that much. Yeah. What this twist look like, what size it is. It's just a nice protective style that's gonna keep your hair out the way. Okay, so I'm gonna clip him. Okay, I'm gonna part my hair again. And I just feel for where my part is. I don't need a comb. I don't need a mirror, because I got y'all. Right? Got y'all, right? Okay. I'm gonna take my water again because my hair is starting to dry out. Now that I got it exposed to the air, I'm gonna really put this water on there. Leave in. Comb it out. This step is very important. Smooth out the hairs for the twist. So. Got a knot. I'll be back when I get to the last piece of this half. Alright, y'all. Okay, so I said I was gonna come back on here when I got to my last piece. This is my last piece. Okay, so I'm about to start on this side. I'm gonna take some olive oil, take it on my finger, and I'm just gonna put it on. And you're done. So that's my updated twist video, just showing y'all what I do for the week or two, depending on how long they last. Let's throw it in some twists, girl. I'll oil her, and then that's it. That's all. Let me know what y'all think about this. Let me know what y'all think about my twist, okay? Alright, y'all. Be blessed.